How to continue your downloading in sleep mode on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can continue our downloading on sleep mode in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, navigate to the search icon and in the search bar, you have to type in power. Then you will have this option that says edit power plan, click on it. Now you land on edit plan settings. Here, there is an option that says put the computer to sleep. So under on battery, click on this drop down and select it to never. And also under plugged in, select it to never. Once you have done that, now head towards the change advanced power settings. So once you're under power option, the first option hard disk, and it says turn off the hard disk after. So here you have to provide the time. You can select for the day or for the some hour. So you have to enter the time in the minute. So for this period of time, your hard disk will turn off. So once you're done selecting your time, so here this time depends upon your preferred choice or the time that you want. And make sure you type the time in the minutes. Once you're done, click on apply, then click on OK. After that, from here, make sure to click on save changes button and your settings will be changed. So that is the way to continue your downloading on sleep mode in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.